Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common mistakes on LinkedIn, having your LinkedIn profile misaligned when you're changing jobs. I had a client today who wanted me to review his LinkedIn profile, and what I noticed was that he had several different jobs in the past. He had his own marketing agency, he had a video production agency, he was self-employed at some point, he was running as a consultant. Over the time, he developed multiple different skills that had nothing to do with what he was doing today. So when he was looking at attracting more clients for his business, sometimes it's like just the small things that make all the difference in the world. So in his case, his URL was not in alignment with his current work. His headline was out of alignment. His work experience wasn't focusing the majority of his attention to his current position. His skills were often from previous jobs, and previous job skills that are no longer relevant were at the top. So here's a quick fix how you can do that. Start from the top, look at your profile URL, make sure if it's your name, it's evergreen. If you are referring to a specific company you have been working for or a specific industry or skill set, you might want to adjust that. Then make sure that your LinkedIn headline is reflecting accurately what you're doing today, who you're helping, and what you can do for them. You also want to make sure that your about section is updated. For your professional experience section, you want to make sure that you focus the majority of your content on your current position. This should be the one which has the most amount of information. You attach valuable images. Then you want to make sure that you are reviewing your skills carefully every time you're changing jobs, and you're frequently reordering the ones that are most relevant and pull them to the top. People will only see the top 3 skills. Now, if you want to learn more about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile from top to bottom, you might want to check out my LinkedIn Profile Optimizer program, where I share my exact framework for each and every section of your LinkedIn profile and how you can make sure that everything is aligned, everything is like giving a very strong, powerful message and convinces people to take your desired action. And if you want to get a step further ahead and you want to learn how to generate leads for your business, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I put both links in the description and into the pinned comments below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing that really work, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.